how to make a new custom-shaped brush. First, open a new file. 500 pixel by 500 pixel should do. Go to your Shape tool and select a shape. I'll go with a heart. Drag it so it fills the canvas. Then change the color to black. Now, right-click on the layer and select Rasterize. Then export the file to a folder where you want to store your custom brushes. Now close the file. Let's start as new project. We'll start by creating a pink background. OK. Next, select the Brushes tab and click on the three lines at the right of the panel. Choose New Intensity Brush. Then find and select the file we just made. Ta-da! We now have a new brush. OK, now I'll go to the More button at the top of the screen and I'll play with the sliders until my brush pattern is just the way I like it. There you go. Now, let's have some fun. If you like today's content, please hit those like and subscribe buttons below. Have a great day, everyone.